Have you ever imagined a creature so peculiar, so utterly strange, that it seems to have been pieced together from several different animals? What if I told you such an animal exists, not in a storybook, but in the quiet waterways of a distant land? This is the platypus. When European naturalists first encountered it, they thought it was a hoax, a trick by a clever taxidermist. It possesses the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, the soft, dense fur of an otter. It defies simple classification. This remarkable being makes its home along the freshwater rivers and streams of eastern Australia, a reclusive resident of a unique ecosystem. So, what exactly is this enigmatic creature? The platypus, Ornithorhynchus anatinus, is a mammal. But not just any mammal. It belongs to an ancient group called monotremes, a lineage that split from other mammals over 166 million years ago. Unlike almost all other mammals, the platypus lays eggs, a living window into a very different time. Active at dawn and dusk, it slips between water and burrow, elusive and mysterious. It is quite simply a platypus. To truly understand the platypus, we must look at its physical form, a masterpiece of evolutionary adaptation. Its most striking feature is its bill. Though duck-like in shape, it is soft, rubbery, and incredibly sensitive. Covered in thousands of receptors, the bill grants a remarkable sixth sense, electroreception. When it dives, it closes eyes, ears, and nostrils, relying entirely on that bill to navigate and find food. Its body is built for water. Thick, waterproof fur traps a layer of air for insulation, so dense it keeps the animal warm and dry after hours in cold water. Extensive webbing turns front feet into powerful paddles. On land, the webbing retracts, exposing strong claws for digging. Its beaver-like tail acts as a rudder to steer with precision. It is also a vital storage organ, holding fat reserves for lean times and the demands of breeding. Small eyes sit high on the head for surface scanning. Adults have no teeth. Tough keratinous pads grind prey. Its menu includes worms, insect larvae, shrimp, and yabbies. Food is stashed in cheek pouches, then eaten at the surface. The reproductive life of the platypus holds ancient traits from a distant past. After courtship, the female builds a special nesting burrow, sometimes up to 30 meters long. She lines a chamber with damp leaves and reeds to keep humidity high. Here she lays 1 to 3 small, leathery eggs, about the size of a grape, and incubates them for around 10 days. When they hatch, puggles are blind and hairless, completely dependent on their mother for warmth, protection, and food. Like all mammals, she produces milk, but she has no nipples. Milk seeps through pores onto 2 milk patches on her abdomen. The thick, nutrient-rich milk pools in her fur, and the puggles lap or suck it directly. Platypus milk contains a unique antibacterial protein, vital in the damp burrow environment. For months, the mother is the sole caregiver, leaving only briefly to feed herself. As they grow, fur develops and eyes open. After 3 to 4 months, they emerge to learn swimming and foraging. From leathery egg to confident swimmer, a nurturing strategy like no other. A quiet defender, the platypus survives with stealth and strategy. Active at dawn and dusk, hidden underwater or sealed in its burrow, it avoids many threats. Camouflage helps it blend with muddy beds and shaded banks. Remaining unseen matters when eagles, goannas, and pythons patrol the waterways. Platypuses maintain several burrows. The female's nesting burrow is an engineering feat. She plugs the nest chamber with earthen barriers, sometimes up to 1 meter thick, to regulate humidity and deter intruders. These plugs also shield eggs and puggles from rising floodwaters. Males bear a sharp spur on each hind leg, connected to a venom gland active in breeding season. The sting is excruciating to humans, with swelling and pain resistant to conventional painkillers. Used primarily in male combat over territory and mates, it also deters predators when a platypus is cornered. Stealth, structure, and a hidden weapon make this gentle-looking animal remarkably resilient. A living puzzle. The enduring wonder of the platypus, a mammal that lays eggs, a duck-like bill that is a powerful sensory organ, fur like an otter, a beaver-like tail that stores energy, and a venomous spur more at home among reptiles. As a monotreme, It preserves ancient traits from a lineage that diverged millions of years ago. Studying the platypus offers clues to mammalian origins, a keyhole view into the deep past. Yet its future is uncertain. Habitat loss, pollution, and changing river flows threaten its world. Protecting the platypus means protecting healthy freshwater ecosystems. It challenges our expectations and invites a more curious, open mind. Gliding through dark waters, it carries the story of an ancient world into the modern one. A biological masterpiece, proof of nature's rich imagination. We are incredibly fortunate to share the planet with it.